So finally, we have an AI agent that works for you 24/7. Doesn't matter who you are or in what industry you work in. Doesn't matter how old you are. You will understand how to use it, and I will show you how easy it is. So you can create insane interactive websites, as you can see right now. And here is another example, a pet store style website, which is fully interactive, as you can see. Create visually stunning educational materials, detailed and complicated job like doing spreadsheets on Excel. You can even create these simple but visually perfect manuals and assembly instructions like this. Analyze trends in any industry or anything you want to research. Ask AI to help renovate your room or your whole house. Automate your Gmail or any of these tools you see right now that you can connect directly with Skywork AI. So let's imagine I am a trainer and I will help my client to get in shape, and I will just create 7 infographic images for each week, what the person should train and what he should eat. So here is the prompt. I will basically make a detailed workout and diet regime for the whole week for a man that is a bit obese. Also, he is a vegetarian. Create 7 infographic style images for him for each day of the week, what he should train and what eat. Use the reference image. So you can use any model of the best models. So what we have Claude, we have ChatGPT, and we have Gemini. So we'll basically create 7 infographic images, and instantly after 1 minute it is starting to generate the images. And let's see if it remembers that I specifically asked to create vegetarian style meals. And as you can see, the first infographic is ready, and this is my face. It basically used some cartoon style image. And here you can see how detailed this is, because this is ChatGPT image 2, which is perfect with the text. And here you can see the whole workout, 60 minutes. If we see the meal plan, it is fully vegetarian, which is crazy. So vegetarian means that I should not use meat and eat meat in my diet, and there is no meat. There are eggs. We have some Greek yogurt, which means that milk and eggs and all this stuff works. And here is the day 2 as well, which looks insane. Allow the color palette with for each day will be, it seems like, different. Of course, you can write this, you can make this even more specific. For example, how many calories or how much protein or carbs are in these all specific foods. Now, one insane feature, what you can do, for example, you create an image, an infographic. So what we will do, you can select the image. Now, you see something is wrong. AI did something or wrote something wrong. What you can do, you can select edit text. Now, it will extract all the text in this infographic, and you will be able to replace it or edit or just make it correct. Here you can see all the text in this infographic is editable. So, for example, you click on this Romanian deadlift, just select it, edit. For example, let's write dumbbell, doesn't matter. Just save. And after you edit, you will press confirm, and it will start regenerating the whole image with the correct information. And here is the result. Here you can see it basically says dumbbell. So you can basically change any text in the images. And here we have the 7-day workout plan, but overall you have to be more specific. Now, after you have created your daily infographics for your client, you can, for example, create a PDF of how much protein and how much calories, carbs, and fat the person or the client should eat. And I will make it easy to read with illustrations so the client actually is willing to read. Also add science-backed information. Just press run. I will select auto model. You can also select between Claude, Opus 4.7, ChatGPT, and Gemini and Kimi K2.5. These are the best models right now. And as you can see, it instantly starts creating the PDF. Should take maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes max. And as you can see, it included that this will be vegetarian foods in this plan. I didn't write this in the prompt, but it basically remembers the whole context. Doesn't matter when you, even after 20 prompts, it will still remember the main things it has to remember. And I can even close my laptop right now and it will keep continuing working. the one feature which is insane, what you can use, you can ask this AI agent to create, for example, a weekly updates on any topic or daily updates, and it will actually give you daily updates. You can connect your Gmail, so you will get an email every week or every day. And here are all the platforms that you can connect to this AI agent. For example, your Dropbox, your Asana, WordPress. So which means that AI agent can edit your websites. What else? GitHub, Slack, Notion, Microsoft Outlook, Drive, whole Google, as you can see, Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Drive, and more. So here is our 7-day nutrition plan ready. If we scroll down, we can see this is detailed, backed by science as I asked. And here you can see we have all the measurements, how many grams of berries, Greek yogurt, and how much calories, protein, carbs, and fat this meal has in total. And we just scroll down, we have all the details, all the data. And at the end, we have an scientific explanation why these specific foods are good for you based on real science that I asked the AI agent to basically research. And if that's not enough, we have a specific references to all of the scientific data. So if you have clients, you have basically show them all the proof why it works, and there is an actual science behind this, that this is not just some BS. Now the last thing we will do, we will create an actual diagram and statistics on how he will achieve his results if he sticks to his plan and does this for the whole year. So what this does is, if the client is not motivated, we will show him the specific diagram with statistics of how he will achieve this. So this is basically a gamify tactic to make your clients do the work. And again, you just ask AI agent and it will start building out. There is no background programming knowledge that you need. Even if you are old grandma, you will understand how to use this because I am showing you. You just ask it and it will do it. The only thing you have to do is be specific, and if you are working in a specific niche, you will know all the ins and outs that you have to ask. So while it generates, I will show you some incredible features that Skywork basically offers. So first of all, you can upload specific knowledge base for every project or for every industry that you work in. For example, you have some images, some portfolios, some data, statistics, some manuals. You can upload everything right here. The second thing what you can do, create your own preset prompts, so you don't have to rewrite the prompts every time. You can just create your presets. You can even select specific pre-made skills. So for example, I can select these images and it will create and edit high quality images, logos, and social media graphics from text, perfect for professional branding, marketing, visuals, and creative AI projects. And when you scroll down, we have so much: research-driven content writer, scientific hypothesis generator, marketing, psychology, financial market reports, and you can get inspired and you can just see what works for you. And by the way, I will leave a link to this specific spreadsheet where you can see how you can use the AI agent, Skywork AI, the best way for your specific needs and for your specific industries. So here we have website, video, specific prompts and guides. We have images, we have deep research guides for example, analyzing Spotify playlists or trends on Spotify, e-commerce, sales, and customer segmentation analysis. Here we have all, and again, the link is below in the description. And as you can see, I started with 25,000 credits and I have 24,000 credits left, and which means that it is quite cheap and it doesn't spend a lot of credits. And when you go to their website, you will actually see different examples and templates of what people have actually built or created. So you don't have to go from scratch. You can actually get inspired by different, for example, annual planning handbook, smart goal planning, business quotation, retro doggy magazine cover. So you have all this in this specific website. As you can see, I'm just scrolling down without stopping. And after a few minutes, we have our file ready, which you can send as a website to your client. And as you can see, we have projected 52-week outcome from 90 kilograms to 83.3 kilograms. And here you can see we have our diagrams. For example, weight progression. First of all, he will lose his weight. Then he will start building the muscle, as you can see here, which is incredible. And here is body composition. So now he has 24% body fat and lean mass, which is muscle, 60.6 kilograms. And then we will have less and less body fat and more lean mass. And this was created by AI. I just wrote a simple prompt and we have all these detailed diagrams. Of course, here you can see we have some little errors, but you can, actually these are not rare errors, but here you can see the data. We just need AI to change it to white text because right now it is black and you cannot read, but the information is there. Strength gains, BMI, progression. So imagine I created this basically in 5 minutes, and when you send this to your client, the client will actually see that you put in work, you have all the details for the specific one client that you did in 5 to 10 minutes total. And at the end, we have the science behind the numbers. So again, it created the full science with an actual source of how much muscle you can get, how much body fat you can burn. So I just show you how you can use an AI agent with zero knowledge. I did this with writing simple prompts, even without any programming knowledge. It created me these detailed statistics, these detailed diagrams. The best part is that I spent around 2,000 credits, which means around $3 to $5, which means I saved thousands of dollars if I had to create this by myself from scratch and generate or program these websites and charts and statistics. I would spend like more than 7 days and probably spend thousands of dollars. But I did this for around $5 and I spent like 30 minutes on this whole task. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. All the links are below in the description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.